going to start by removing these 4 push clips here. The way to do that is you pop the center up with a little trim tool, and then you remove the outer piece. Do the same to all 4. Perfect. On each side of the bumper, you'll have this screw here. It's a 7mm. Remove that. And do the same to the other side. Underneath the bumper, you have more of these plastic push clips. Remove all of those as well. Same way, pull out the center first. These are sometimes very stuck because of sand and debris. And after the center comes out, you can remove the whole push clip. 2 more 7mm screws on each side. Take those out. Okay, same to the other side. I'm going to put a plastic trim tool in here and pry out on this piece on the grill. There's 4 10mm bolts across the top. Go ahead and take all 4 out. If your vehicle does have fog lights, this one does not, so I can't show it. Reach up underneath, unplug the bulb, otherwise you'll rip the connection. And at this point, you can slide the bumper cover off. Perfect. Now you can slide your bumper on, or bumper cover, I should say. Line it up. Make sure it's seated all the way. Let's put in these 4 bolts at the top. I'm not going to tighten them yet. I want to put all 4 in, that way the bumper can still move around as needed. Okay, now make sure it's pressed into place and snug them up. Now you can slide this piece on. Perfect. Reinstall your side screws here. Do that on both sides, snug them up. Now put in all of your push clips. Make sure they line up and go in all the way. Press them in. Snug those up. Don't make them too tight because it'll strip the threads on the inside there. And do the same to the other side.